Hey there friend, ever missed an important notification and wished you could get it back? Here is a simple Android feature that can save you from that frustration. In less than 2 minutes, you will learn how to enable notification history and never lose an important alert again. Let's get started. First of all, open the settings menu on your phone. Once you are in the settings, scroll down a little. Here find the notification option, tap to open them. After in the menu, scroll down again, go to the advanced settings page. Here, look at the top right corner, find the notification history, tap to open it. Right now, this option is turned off by default. To turn it on, simply tap on the main toggle button and you can easily turn on notification history on your Android phone. If this tip helped, like, subscribe and turn on notification bell icon for more simple Android tricks, useful tech guides and time-saving smartphone tips. Bye, take care guys, have a great day.